Hello beautiful people. Today I share very intense belly fat bunny juice. This juice is very intense and it works like magic. Within 5 days you will be seeing visible results on your stomach. Your belly fat will be melt away with this simple recipe. Let's get right into it. To make this belly fat bunny juice, we need some lime. I have in here about 5 lime. If you are making a larger quantity, you can use more, but for this quantity we are making, 5 is just perfect. So I'll go ahead and peel this and set aside. If today is your first time of coming across my video, I welcome you to Benny Nice Kitchen. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Okay, to my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you for always stopping by to watch my video. May God bless you always. The next ingredient we are going to be using to make this belly fat bunny juice is lemon. Okay, I'm going to peel this also and set aside. Now in a clean pot, add all the lemon peels and the lime peels into it. Then you go in with clean water. Okay, just go in with clean water, put it on fire and allow it to cook for some minutes. Okay. While that is cooking, I'll go ahead and cut the ginger into smaller pieces. Okay. Our next ingredient will be cucumber. Okay, I'm going to cut this into smaller pieces also without removing the seed. Okay, I'm not going to remove the seed. So when you are making yours, ensure that you don't also remove the seed, because the seed also have its own benefits to losing weight or burning belly fat. All right. Note that this recipe will also help you to detox your body and you will pull out some fat, unwanted fat from your body. Okay. Now let's check on the lemon peel and the lime peel we put on fire. As you can see, it's boiling very well. I'll go ahead now and turn off the gas and allow it to cool down for some minutes while we blend the cucumber, lemon and lime and the ginger. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Subscribe, like the video, comment your thoughts in the comment section and share this video to other people to see, because it is very important. If you share this video, it will help you to reach a wider audience. Thank you so much. Now I'm done blending. I'll go ahead and pass it through a strainer. Okay. Right now I'm going to pour this boiled lemon and lime water into the blended juice. Okay, there's no way you will drink this and not burn belly fat. It's not possible. So take note on the way I make this juice and replicate it in your own house. Then come back and thank me later. Yeah, you'll come back and thank me. Can you see the quantity I was able to make? You can double this recipe or you reduce it if you don't want to do this much. Okay, after doing it like this, I'll bottle them, keep them in my fridge. I'll be drinking this morning and night, before meal and after meal in the night. I hope you got value watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Share to people so that they can see this recipe. Subscribe so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Okay,